Hello ladies and gentlemen, Copter here, and today I'm bringing you a custom PC build. So basically this is the PC that's broken. The graphics card is kind of fried. I'm not too sure about it, but it seems that way. My hard drive is malfunctioning. It basically makes strange noises and takes forever to load anything. So yeah, if you power it on, it still works, like loads and everything, but I can't do anything with it basically. So yeah, there's that. So this build took me about, let's say, 45 minutes to an hour to build. I've got everything hooked up, my power supply, motherboard with my RAM, my graphics card, my CPU, and then I've got a fan over there and a fan under here, my hard drive obviously, and then some cool blue neon lights. Of course, why not? Let's make it look cool. And then here's the front panel of the case, so I can actually power it on and reset it. And then crap, I forgot about this fan. I'm gonna plug it in right now. So after I've done plugged this in, I'm gonna plug in the entire build and see if it actually works. Alrighty, it's plugged in and everything, as you can see from that light on the motherboard. So, moment of truth, I just really hope it doesn't explode or anything. So, alright. Oh, it works! It actually works! Goodness, let me just keep my hand on this in case something tries to burn out or anything. But it seems to be working. So I thought I plugged in the wires wrong, but I didn't. Yeah, it's working. Don't smell anything burning yet. Okay, that just died. Not sure what that's about. Not there. What? Alright. Everything's running as it should be. That's pretty neat. Sure, yeah. There's my PC. All built onto that platform thing. Not sure what it's called in English. Eat your food, man. But yeah, I'm actually proud. Got to build this. Let's just feel this. Yeah, all drive is running. So yeah. Alright, so I hooked up my screen and keyboard. Don't need a mouse because it's basically just going to boot, and then it asks me for my password. So let's see if this will work. Turn down the light. Right, here we go. So everything here. I'll be actually surprised if it like really boots. Oh, and it dies out. What happened? Oh, there it goes. There we go. There we go. No idea why that happened. Doesn't seem to be booting. Well, alright then. Still, that works and everything, so that's pretty boss. Let's see real quickly. Oi! Keyboard's down and everything. It's supposed to be lit up. Oh yeah, I remember now. Previously when I booted my PC, it would just stay a black screen for like an eternity. and then it'll just boop, pop up, and then everything will be working. But yeah, I'll just pause the video and then play it if that happens. If not, oh well. Okay, unfortunately it didn't boot at all. Nothing happened. It just stayed like that. Though I'm not giving up this easy. I've unplugged and plugged everything back in. So let's try and revive this thing, but I doubt anything will still happen. There we go. Starting up again. Sweet. Still nothing. And why does that keep on happening? What? It just dies out and it's like, no, I'm not dead. Surprise! And that's basically what keeps on happening. So that basically indicated that it still won't boot, because that's what happened earlier. This fan is dead again. Yeah, still nothing. Damn it. Oh well, fair long, old friend. You served me for at least a year and a half, and then you died. Damn it. And anyways, guys, I'll be getting my new PC pretty soon. I'm not sure when exactly, but as soon as I get it, I'm gonna put it in this case I got here. So when I'm doing that, I will make a video of how I set everything up. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I would appreciate a like, maybe even a subscribe. Yeah, that rhymes. You damn right. But yeah, peace out.